the cutting-edge rectangular wiper that forever changed the history of wipers. KIMBLADE is back. Featuring a new frame with enhanced compatibility and aerodynamic performance, our silicone blades are available in various colors, including the rear wiper requested by our enthusiastic backers. With its groundbreaking performance and water-repellent coating, KIMBLADE will help you drive more safely with clear visibility. Meet our new, upgraded KIMBLADE, the rectangular blade.
Wipers are an essential part of a vehicle, securing the driver's visibility and safety while driving. However, people treat wipers as simple expendables that must be frequently replaced and often wait until it's too late. So, why do conventional wipers have such short lifespans? Ordinary wiper blades are in a triangular shape, easily deforming when pressed by the wiper arm and undergoing corrosion from changes in temperatures between day and night. Damaged blades not only perform poorly, but also create an unpleasant noise when in operation. As shocking as it sounds, the deformation and corrosion begin as soon as you attach the wipers to the car. These changes are difficult to notice, meaning you may be putting yourself and your loved ones in danger with limited visibility. Choose KIMBLADE that lasts and does its job effectively. Look how smoothly it operates even after 3 years of use. Excelling in both performance and durability, KIMBLADE is a safety device with unrivaled quality compared to other triangular wipers. Drive safely with our product, anytime, anywhere. Introducing a new, upgraded KIMBLADE with even more power. Our unique rectangular blades went through meticulous upgrades to increase flexibility in silicone and improve their wiping ability further. The 4-bar linkage structure firmly pushes the moisture away with sharp edges and rapidly reverses its direction in an instant using the friction of the wide surface of the glass. Even when pressed by the wiper arm, KIMBLADE is capable of returning to its original shape thanks to its resilient and flexible materials. Our wiper blades are made of high-end silicone infused with carbon nanotubes to guarantee consistent performance at all times. New wipers need a new wiper frame. With a stylish carbon pattern frame, the KIMBLADE wiper frame now features a lower height and high performance regardless of the vehicle type. KIMBLADE wiper frame is a simple adapter for all models, meaning the blade inserts can be easily installed and uninstalled at the time of replacement. Instead of going to the shop, you can now simply replace the torn blades yourself and reduce unnecessary costs and waste. Also, as we promised to our previous backers, the rear wipers are now available. Equipped with equally performing rectangular blades, you can safely maintain your visibility in the rear window at the same time. And that's not all. Our windshield care package has also been improved for superior maintenance. Enjoy the upgraded windshield cleaner with which you can effectively remove all pollutants such as insects and grease from the glass. KIMBLADE wipers will smoothly apply a water-repellent coating as they move across the glass, once the glass is thoroughly cleaned with the windshield cleaner. In addition, enjoy the option of applying the water-repellent coating to area that wipers cannot reach using our special windshield treatment. Easily manage your windshield like a professional with our all-in-one product, KIMBLADE. In the history of the automotive industry over the past century, KIMBLADE has made its mark by revolutionizing the wiper function and bringing innovation to car maintenance. Our new rectangular blade wipers won Invention competitions with granted patents. And most importantly, our backers have proven the effectiveness with overwhelming love and reviews following each campaign. As we strive to continue developing and bringing better wipers in the future, we are happy to present you with the best wiper for your rough days on the road. Kindly support us and join the safe journey with KIMBLADE.